So when starting your shoe line artwork, you want to make sure you are looking at your shoe very carefully and you are thinking about, first of all, the overall size of your shoe. Your shoe is almost as wide as your whole paper or pretty close to it. So when you're drawing, especially careful observation drawing, your shoe should not end up being some dinky little thing in the middle of your paper. You want to make sure you're drawing it as close to life size as possible, so you're really taking your time to see the things that are part of your shoe. It's also much more interesting to see your shoe from the side as it is like top down or even from the bottom. Yes, your shoe looks like a shoe from the bottom, but it is not as interesting and obvious what you're drawing as if you're seeing it from the side. Now you can decide if you want to see it from the left side or the right side, but I'm going to look at my shoe from this side like this. You want to start on one end of your paper, and with our special paper for this project, we should be on the shiny side. So there's a slightly less shiny side and a shiny side. We want to be on the shiny side for this drawing. And I'm going to go directly in with Sharpie. If you're still doing your practice, that's fine. You can either practice in Sharpie or with pencil, but Sharpie is the way we want to go for the final. So I'm going to start on this end, and I'm going to start at the heel of the shoe. And for me, my heel goes out. So the line that I'm going to start back here and kind of near the bottom, but not at the bottom, because I have to come down below as close as I can. Your eyes should closely follow the shapes that you see and not the shapes you think you see. This needs to be all one line, because if you lift your pen, you put it back down somewhere else, you won't be able to trace that with the yarn. So make sure it's all connected. So I kind of like that for the shape of my shoe. You can see the top edge here as well as where the foot goes in. So I feel like that works pretty well.